so I've got the Lagoona Blue, Monster High, Skulltimate Secrets, Destination Gore-geous Oasis. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see where the easiest place to rip this is. Right off the bottom, apparently. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got a little handle. Okay. Take the key out. Okay. Oh my goodness. So many cute photos. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Okay, let's see if I can get her out. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. I might need scissors. Oh my goodness. Look at this bag. It's so cute. How do I... There we go. Ooh, what are these? Ooh. Okay, I think these are shoes. Okay, let's get Lagoona out. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so... Look at her earrings. And her outfit. And her cute little fins. Okay. Okay. Where was I? Shoes. I believe these are shoes. Ooh! Oh my goodness, look how cute those are. And there's the other. Oh my god, those are so cute. Okay. And... Ooh! Is it a top? Is it bottoms? I think it might be like a shoulder shrug that like goes around her shoulders. Let's see. Ooh, she has forearm fins too. Okay. That's cute. Has a little skeleton key with a skull. I think this might be a wrap, like a swimsuit wrap, maybe? And another skirt. Look at this bag. Oh my goodness, and it has a necklace in it. Okay. Look at this bag. It's just so cute. And then her necklace. I'm going to put the necklace on her. Is it a necklace? Maybe it's waist beads. I think it might be waist beads, to be honest, because they fit around her waist. Okay, so they are waist beads. Look at that. She looks so cute. And the purse hooks on onto the suitcase. Look at that. Okay, now for the surprises. So we've got 2 packets of surprises. We got this one and this one, and they're both This one feels like it's more full, so we'll do this one first. Ooh. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks cute. Is it a shirt? Like, is it just a backless shirt? I don't know. But it's cute. It's pretty. Let's see. What else is in here? Oh, got some hangers. Oh my god, is this a luggage tag? Look at the luggage tag. Oh my god. That's so cute. Ooh, sunglasses. Ooh, neat wavy sunglasses. Those look so cute on her. And a hand fan. Anyway, it's a little hand fan. It's got shells and tentacles and a little pearl. Okay, so that's all that was in that one. Ooh, another pair of shoes. Where's the other one? Ah! Oh my gosh. Look at these. They're fabulous. They're so cute. Oh my god, I would totally wear these. I would absolutely 100% wear these. Oh! Oh, the platform sandals. The heeled platform sandals. Okay, I'm in love. What is this? What is... How do... No? I'm not really sure what these are. What are these? They look like they should go together, but they don't. They're just two identical pieces. Do they maybe like hold the shoes or something? Well, not really. Huh. That's odd. Ooh, another key. And a shell purse. Oh my god. It is so cute. Oh my god, hold on. Look at that. Look at how adorable that is. Oh my god. Their shoes all dressed up. Oh my goodness. I love her. I love her. This is 3. She's the 3rd one to add to my collection. I'm so excited. Thank you.